how can we make things a little easier on ourselves this coming year and in the holiday season? I think there's two ways to do this. The first one is gratitude for what we do have and where we are. Even if it's where we don't want to be, it's not our ultimate goal. We're still searching and seeking after something of importance. We're still here. We're still in the hunt. We're still able to work toward it. There's always something good to find. Number two is what I'm going to tell you about just after this. Hi, everybody. Two quick announcements. One is that it is Thanksgiving tomorrow in the US, and I am thankful for you and for you watching my videos and being part of this amazing community. And the second announcement is that my Brave Art and Wellness workshops, registration is open now, and we're doing a 5-week collage course starting January 3rd. Registration will be open now through December 2nd, which is Monday. And if you register before the end of the day on Friday using this code, you get 20% off the price. This is my own little Black Friday deal. I've never done this before. I don't know if I'll do it again, but I wanted to start the year off. I feel like 2024 has been a lot of ups and downs. Let's just make things easier. Let's make it easier to take care of ourselves. Let's make it easier to just show up and create some collages, see what happens, and start the new year off with some prioritization of our own needs and just resting and just taking it easy. Let's carve out some time. So there'll be 10 hours total of live Zoom interaction with me and a small group of folks. There's classes Friday evenings, Chicago time, Friday mornings, Chicago time, and Monday mid-morning. All the details are in the link above, and all of the other information will be in the description below. So thank you so much for all of your support and your kind comments and your input and all the wonderful things this year. I always appreciate this community, and I appreciate that you are a part of it.